Well, after a very rainy start to 2019, dozens of counties are hurting from the floods. We've got a new tool, though, that is helping road crews alleviate the problems, at least in eastern Arkansas.
It's a laser transit system. It's used by the road department to help dig ditches to keep floodwaters away from roads and houses. The device lets the operator set a specific grade for a ditch, make sure that spots aren't too deep or too shallow to keep floodwaters flowing freely.
It's faster, it saves time, it saves money, it saves diesel fuel, and it's a lot less wear and tear on the driver.
Mr. Nelson says the device was nearly $16,000 and it's been used quite a bit just since the beginning of the year.